Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome and thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to see Gosloto 749. We have a WhatsApp group. To join is not free but it's very affordable and is a one-off. So 0677729 is the phone number. Yes, I'm gonna create another YouTube channel for Lotus because I noticed that it has been 2 weeks since someone is trying to hack my email, and I'm trying just my way to protect it. But what if it happens? Well, I still have I still want to communicate with you on these Lotto numbers, guys. So I will create another channel where we'll put some a video so that you can go watch it and subscribe there in case they hack my email. Then you continue your life without being stuck. All right, because someone is trying his best. For some dates from Ghana, from Nigeria, from Congo. Yesterday it was United States. Yo, it's really tough. It's like they saw a gold in my email, maybe. It's a diamond, maybe. We don't know. These emails have been with me for since 2011. And they always try to hack those kind of emails. So, yeah. Let's go. For example, if you have a Facebook which is very old, they wanted that kind of Facebook, yeah. Now, let's go. Now we having some strategy which is gonna wow. Let's go. I just want to show you. But the first strategy, I'm gonna always try to work this for the art. The first strategy is to take these numbers which are sitting here. The number which are sitting on the first 3 seats. I have a 4 plus 8 plus 12. And then it's gonna give me 24. Your first number is 24. You can see 24 played. Alright. Now 24 plus 56. 56 is 49 plus 7 number for the draw. It's 7 out of 7 number out of what? 7 number out of 49, so it gave us 56. Ne? Alright, so we have 80. The answer will be 80. Then you take 80, you play 8 as it is, then you play 8 plus every number which is lower than 100, you add 10 on each single, which is 18. That's where 18 is coming from. When the number has a 0 at the back, you also add plus or minus. 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 9. When you spin 9 is 6. That's where 6 comes from. Alright. Let me remove this thing. Alright. Now, let's go for the next one. Here we are having 48. That is the answer. Then 48 is the first number you're gonna play. The 48 plus 48 plus 56. Remember we saw where 56 come from. Here is 4. I keep 1, 9, and 10. Now we have a 10. 10 is 1 and 4 and 14. 1 and 4 and 14 and 10. Every time when there is a 0 between here, they always take the number add the 1. So we can have a 15 and 5. 15 and 5 or 14. Yeah, those are the numbers. 15 and 5 or 14, even 10 and 40. So these numbers you see here, they can bring 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Right. So 48, 104 code. We have a 14, but since we have a 14, 14, there is a 0 in between, they multiply. We have a 4, we have a 40, and 40 call 41 or 44. Then the number which is sitting here again, 14, you add 1 is a 15. Every time there is a 0 between, they always multiply or add 1 on that number. So 14 equals 15, 4, 14, the 41, and the 44. Because the 48 also, you can do minus 4 because this is a family of 8. They like to do minus 8. They minus 4 because remember 24 can give us 28. That's what they always like to do. Or 24. 28 give you 24, so 44 also can come. That is the first strategy, guys, and it's you can just pair those numbers. We have a purple app which is called the Lunch Tea Lotto Result. That app, in case you are using a bet shop or you are using other app which you don't pay, because remember better in the yesterday they pair the numbers. You select your 8 numbers and they pair for you. But if in the case you don't have those app that are pairing numbers, or you're using Hollywood, because Hollywood only repair 4 numbers, you can go and download that purple app which is a result app. It's in a purple color. Then you try to pay your numbers there. All the numbers will be paid. You want to lose because of varying the numbers. Alright, that was the first one, guys. Alright, let's go to the second one. The second one, you're gonna add this 3 number. I have many strategy, but today I just want to show you 2 of them because you have been complaining about the video is long. The video is long. Now we have a 71, and 71 plus 42 is equal to 3 and 11, 113. Now look at here. 113. I think this pencil look a little bit. Wait. 113, then I have 11, I have 13, I have 2. Because this one, I don't like when they bring the add in. When you check this one, we have 11, which is 2. Because they are 2 twins, it's 2 numbers, 2. You take them, add them together. That is the most important number. Every time you get 2 in your numbers, they bring you 4 or 8. This will be your banker when you get 2. Now we have 48 as a number. In case you know this strategy or you have been a subscriber to this channel since long. Let's go. And this is a fact, and it's always remaining like that. Now we have 113, 11 plus 3, 11 minus 3, plus 3 is 14. So now 3 numbers are born here. 11 minus 3 is, what is the answer? Is 8, right? So you can see 8 was still in our numbers. Now we have 11 and 13 play the nearby number. As I told you previously, 11 is the main number, 13 is the other main number, right? The nearby number is 10 and 12. The nearby number is 12 and 14. You can see all together they are meeting from the 12, meaning that they have a skip. 12 is so you can see that here is the numbers. Those are the numbers. This is how you break the code, guys. And you must always think what a number called which one. So when you add this number together, let's see, 60, 75, 85, and 90. The answer is 90. It is simple as that. 90. It's 9 or 6. And the 9 is below 100. It's 19. Right? Or 16. Those will be your numbers. There. 6 sitting there. Let's go. Now we're going there. 95, 125, 130. The answer is 130. Right. This is 13 as it is. Right. 13 have a 0 behind. We can rely on 14. Remember, they are taking the main number, adding 1 or doing minus 1. So if 1 is 30, 13 or 14. 13 or 14. Right? Remember to spin your numbers. And 1 is 30, we have a 30 and we have a 10. 10 and 30 give us the speed keep of 20. right? So they can bring it 20, 30, or 10, 20, or they can bring just 20. So those are the number. And you remember 31 is sitting there, right? So 31 is sitting there can give us also 14 and 13, the right to come, right? Yes. Now, look at here. We're gonna now the next thing you check, it's a family. Family of 4. We have a 4, 24, 14, right? Where is it 34 and 44? Where are them? Ne? Now we have a 5. We have a 15 and this one. They are just okay. Then we have a 9, 6, 8, 8, 18. Where is 28? Because we have a 48 here. Now we 8, 18, 28, 38, right? Now we use also number movement. 6 move with what? 6 is moving with 4 and 9. 4 is sitting there. Where is 9? Right? 18 move with 36. Right? 24 move with 17. Right? Or 42. 31 I don't remember. 35 is moving with 18 and 14. 14, 18, and 35, they are moving it together. So they are here. Since they are there in the same row, meaning one number of them can repeat when they follow each other consecutively. Now we're having a 46, 49. 46 is 18, call 18. 49 is 3 or something. I don't remember, but you can check your number coding chart. And thank you so much. So the strategy of, there are 2 strategies in case I want to post it because we have many. So before I go again, I'm giving you this one. Guys, I don't know why they click and then the advertisement came. So yeah, that's the reason.
Being busted.
Alright.
One, trading is too hard.
Alright, so I also the other thing people sorry you should know. Let me see.
Three, with a licensed broker like Gosloto.
Alright, the fourth number here. Doing a minus, guys. This is 31 here. So 31 it came straight away. So we can use this one as well. When you do minus, it's gonna give us a 9. So we are waiting for 9 to drop, and also 9. It's good. So let's go. We have a 9 here. That is 9. Thank you so much for watching. Let's make money together. Bye bye.